Good morning. Today is Thursday, June 22nd. Nope, sorry, June 23rd. Wait a minute. No, today's 22nd. Yesterday was a solstice. Sorry about that. I don't know what's the matter with me with the dates. So I wanted to show you some more of the cards that I've been picking or that I've been making. I talked about my last video. Today I made, I believe, the final 8. So I have a deck of 44. Which felt good to me, a good number. So today is one that I didn't make today. The card today is one that I didn't make today, but I made it a couple days ago. And it's called Protecting the Infant Healer. To me, the infant healer is not your inner child. It's the person or part of you maybe that's beginning on the healer journey. So whether you think you've been doing this for a long time, it might be that this is protecting someone that you know that's on their early part of their path, or perhaps there's a part of you that is starting a new kind of healing practice. So those are some ideas of what this might mean to you. If you are kind of new and feeling your way through and just, you're a healer, but you haven't really figured it out exactly yet, this could be for you. So looking at it in those different ways and maybe finding a different way entirely that sounds better for you, but that's what I get out of it, is that early healer, infant healer. So protecting that, whatever that might mean to you as well. Maybe I'm just getting that maybe that means that the ideas that are coming to you about your practice of it, of healing, or your ideas of how you want to do it are something that you need to work through a bit before you start to share it. That might be protecting that. Or just protecting yourself generally, like we protect ourselves with our boundaries. So I definitely know there's light language coming through for these cards today. So it's building. So I'm going to do a little bit for this one. I have a second one as well, but I want to do them separately because I just want you to focus on them one at a time. Rate sinoro hiushu hurupa hekia la ni salamaneto rayomonote. Ilana setaraya inokorotere analene osamane roto. Runahate inamala inaleno u kunalane selene notaraya. Ipalane hotata senea shonororo maina. So even though you are an infant healer, you are as well loved and respected as anyone that has been on this path for a longer time. Shunorota and helped and sent help. Hutsataramale hote inale ne kura ye. Umalana setere ala kusantare ina shene. All are welcome. Sino tora ina isalamene tora ida pakantele anaya. I'm being told to switch to the next card. So the next card I did make today. And it's called Allowing Nature to Power You. And so, I'm seeing, I wasn't really seeing the relationship, but I'm seeing the relationship now to the two cards, which is we should all be allowing nature to power us, but especially for the infant healers to go to nature, be in nature, call to nature, whatever that might mean to you, to help you in your journey, to inspire you to find your gifts fully. Mi anehi, mi anele hinate, pasene kiara. Ina lahane seno, ona pele ina yonotare. Sipane inale, olokuna yihitete, omale sutane, irakanelene tora yeho, musa lehene shira, lunotora mahina leno, ma seno kilayane, rona kale ina sete tele ayane tora. Especially during these difficult energies that have been swirling around us with the solstice, the gateways. We need to get out in nature, allowing it to rejuvenate us, to repower us, sending out our distress, our anger, our depression, whatever it is that we might be feeling, just releasing it to rivers and streams, releasing it to trees and grass, releasing it out for those that are in nature to take care of and release it from you. So I'm very excited to share these cards with you. I will probably be using them for a while. Who knows? Things change. But I'm really finding a lot of excitement and enjoyment from picking cards for people and finding that they really, really resonate. The message and the card really resonates. So, be sure to focus a little on the picture, on the symbol when you're listening to my videos, or if I send you a picture of any of the cards. Not that that's why I'm doing them, but I have had a couple of requests for decks of them, so I may be making some. I'm finding they're very powerful, at least in my own little world here. So I'll keep it a little bit shorter today, and wishing everyone a beautiful, beautiful day, weekend, life, love, and namaste.